Morning students. In the last class we discussed about the one of the prose 8th standard. That one prose name is Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman. We already done first paragraph, second paragraph, and I'm already given to home assignment. I hope you students, all of you done your homework. Let us continue about our third paragraph. First of all I just read our third paragraph. You look at carefully. After his MA, Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for higher studies in a science, but his health broke down again and he could not go. This was a great disappointment in his life. His relative asked him to give up his study of science and take a competitive examination in Calcutta in a history and economics. Raman did so and get along well with his new subject. He got a first place in the competitive examination and was appointed as a Deputy Accountant General in 1907 at Calcutta. His relatives perhaps felt happy to see that Raman had settled down well in his life, but Raman was not happy and how could a scientist like a Raman put up with the life of a deputy accountant general? He felt like a fish out of in a new post, but he still had hopes of becoming a scientist and was waiting for an opportunity. Let us discuss about one by one. In the previous class, we discussed about the Sir C.V. Raman, where he was born, his father name, mother name, and his primary education. Then after that, his intermediate examination. All these education and early life are we studied in the previous class. And we have to discuss about the next one. After his MA means Master of Arts, Raman wanted to go to the United Kingdom for a higher studies in a science. I'm already told that Raman was very interested in the which subject? Yes, science subject. He wanted to go to where? United Kingdom, ಅಮೆರಿಕಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇವರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ because of the reason higher studies. With his health broke down again. I'm already told in the previous class, Raman health was not supported to the Raman. That's why he don't want to go to the again to United Kingdom and he could not go. This was a great disappointment. What is the meaning of Kannada disappointment? Nirashe. What is the meaning? Nirashe. Disappointment. I just asked a question for your homework. Which is a great disappointment of Raman life? You don't want to go to the United Kingdom because of the reason of ill health or health broke down again. Then his relatives asked him to give up his study of science and take a competitive examination. His relatives means our ಸಂಬಂಧಿಕರು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅಡ್ವೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. You just leave the science because of that is a very difficult to study you because your health also not given a support to you. That's why you just taken a competitive examination in a Calcutta in a history and economics. You better to choose a history and economics to study is for further studies. Raman did so. Raman did so means Raman also do like that and got along well with his new subject. The old subject is a science subject, but then after that advices of relatives he's taken a new subject. That one is the economics and also a history. Then was appointed as a Deputy Accountant General. He gained a new job. That one job is Deputy Accountant General in the 1907, in the year of 1907 at the place of Calcutta. His relatives perhaps felt happy. Who is a very happy? His relatives was very happy. But see, the Raman had settled well in his life. He got a job, he settled in his life. That's why his relatives was very happy to see the Raman in the well settled life. But Raman was not happy. Why? I just given for explanation. How could a scientist? It means Raman was basically a very interested in a science. He was a scientist like a Raman. Put up with a life. Put up with a life means made his life of Deputy Accountant General. He is interested in a science, but he's taken one of the position in a Deputy Accountant General. That's why he was not interested in that. He felt he felt like a fish out of water in his new post. What is the old post? He was a scientist. The new post is a deputy account general. ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ರಾಮನ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಎ ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ಸಿಚುವೇಶನ್. ಎ ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಹೂ ಫೀಲ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್, ಅಂದರೆ ಒಬ್ಬ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿ ತಾನು ಮುಂದಿರುವ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಅನ್ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ? ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಅ ಫಿಶ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟರ್. ಒಂದು ಮೀನನ್ನ ಹೊರಗೆ ಹಾಕಿದಾಗ ಅದು ಯಾವ ರೀತಿಯಾಗಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಂಫರ್ಟಬಲ್ ವಿತೌಟ್ ಅ ವಾಟರ್. ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ರೈಟ್? ಲೈಕ್ ದಟ್ ದ ರಾಮನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಗುಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಡೆಪ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಅ ಹೋಪ್ಸ್. ಹೋಪ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬಿಕೆಯನ್ನು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರು. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ? ಹಿ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ನಾನು ಮುಂದೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಗ್ರೇಟ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತೀನಿ. ವಾಸ್ ವೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ಅ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ. ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಾನು ಒಂದು ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನನಗೊಂದು ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು. ವಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಗ್ರಾಫ್. Even as a deputy account general, Raman mixed with a scientist and took interest in a science. One day, while returning from his office, he saw a banner outside of a building on which was printed the Indian Association of a Scientist. At the sight of that banner, Raman got off the moving train and went to meet the scientists who had gathered in the building. And sometimes later, when he was in Rangoon, he learned that an institution had brought a piece of modern scientific opportunities. He hurriedly put on his clothes and went to have to look at it, and such was the interest he had in the science. Let us explain this one paragraph. Even as a deputy account general ಆಗಿ ಪೋಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ರಾಮನ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮಿಕ್ಸ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟುಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್, ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ಅ ಸೈನ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ ಡೇ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದಿನ, ವೈಲ್ ರಿಟರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಆಫೀಸ್, ಯಾವಾಗ ಅವರು ಆಫೀಸಿಂದ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, ಹಿ ಸಾ ದ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೀನಿಂಗ್ ಆಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್? ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ a long piece of cloth with a message on it that carried between the two poles. It means ನಾಮಫಲಕ, ಒಂದು ವಿಚಾರವನ್ನು ಹೊಂದಿರತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಏನದು? ವಾಟ್ ದಟ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್. ದಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ? ದ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಅಸೋಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೈಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬ್ಯಾನರ್, ರಾಮನ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಓಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಟ್ರೈನ್ ಇಂದ ಅವರು ಕೆಳಗೆ ಇಳಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಮೀಟ್ ದ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್. ಆ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೂ ಆರ್ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್. ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಯಾದರ್ಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಮಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಲೇಟರ್ when he was in Rangoon is one of a place name, he learned that an institution had brought a piece of modern scientific opportunities. In the Rangoon, some of the institution given an opportunity to some of the science students. He hurriedly put on means, you just write down the meaning. Put on means wear or adharishu. It means collected some of his clothes and went to have look at it. When he was in Rangoon, he was very interested in science opportunities. That time he went to that, such interest he had in science. This one shows that he was very interested in which one? Science. Then a fifth paragraph. In 1911, Raman was appointed as a special accountant general for a post and a telegraph in Calcutta. But when he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta University, he jumped at the offer and accepted the post gladly. After working at a Calcutta University for 15 years, he became the director of the Indian Institution of Science in Bangalore. The Raman Research Institution was started in 1948. You just concentrate about that. The Raman Research Institution, own institution, is started in the year of 1948. Raman resigned his post at the Indian Institution of Science and became the director of a research institution. Here he conducted his research in a physics until his death. The next one, fifth paragraph, in the 1911, in the year of 1911, Raman was appointed as a special accountant general. The special accountant general is one of the post name. In the previous, he is in a post of deputy account general. He promoted to as a special account general for the post and the telegraphs in Calcutta, where he was appointed as a special accountant general. Yes, that one is the place of Calcutta. When he was offered the post of professor at Calcutta, when he was in the Calcutta, he offering means ಅವರಿಗೆ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ ಏನಾಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಲ್ಕತ್ತಾ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. He jumped to that offer and accepted the post gladly. Gladly means ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯುತವಾಗಿ ಆ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಯಾವ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಅಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾರೆ. After working at a Calcutta University for 15 years, how much years he worked? 15 years Calcutta University ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ವರ್ಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. He became the director of an Indian Institution of Science in Bangalore. Then after that, he joins to the director of Indian Institution, that one is in Bangalore. Then in the year of 1948, he started the research. Raman Research Institution was started in the year of 1948. 1945 ತಮ್ಮ ಸ್ವಂತ ರಾಮನ್ಸ್ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಸಂಶೋಧನಾ ವಿಭಾಗವನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಾರಂಭ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ರಾಮನ್ ರಿಸೈನ್, ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಇನ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್, then Indian Institution of Science, and become a director of research institution. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿ ಒಬ್ಬ ನಿರ್ದೇಶಕರಾಗಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. Here he conducted his research in the physics. ಯಾವ್ದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಸಂಶೋಧನೆಯನ್ನ, the physics subject ಬಗ್ಗೆ. until his death, ಇವರು ಸಾಯೋ ತನ ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. I think maybe this much is enough, student. I just given a home assignment for you. Write down the question. The first question, why could not Raman go to the United Kingdom? Why could not Raman go to the United Kingdom for a higher studies? The next question, how long did he work at Calcutta University? The next one, what made Raman give up the highly paid post of special accountant general? Listen, students, you just write down all these glossary words, and again you just write and come one or two sentences each glossary words. In the next class we discuss about the rest of them chapter. Thank you.